putting down my own floors for the first time and doing a...
I tried prawns once.
Get him selfie. All you think about. Today I'm going to Roermond, which is quite a trip away. By public transport from The Hague to Roermond would usually take 3 hours, but I'm taking it to Den Bosch for an hour, and then from Den Bosch, my friend Fiduci, she was in my moving into Amsterdam vlog. She's gonna pick me up and we're gonna drive the rest of the way, so it's only gonna take 2 hours hopefully. In Roermond there's a designer outlet. It's similar to the one in London if you've been to Bicester Village. I am in need, well, this is of course an exaggeration because no one needs this stuff, but I really want to treat myself to a nice little present because I've worked so hard on the apartment, putting down my own floors for the first time and doing a damn good job at it. Like, I am very proud of myself and I got a promotion, so I'm, you know, I want to buy myself a little something nice but good quality is what I want. So yeah, we're gonna have a little girly shopping day and it's my first time there, so I thought I would vlog it and see what's good. Probably gonna have lunch there as well because it's still 10:30 right now and I will get there at about 12:30, so it will be in time for lunch for sure. Hi. Hello. I thought your car was a Volkswagen. So I was like, wait, did I just wave to a Kia of a stranger?
No.
How are you guys?
Good, and you?
Good, good.
Excited about the shopping.
Yeah, are you guys planning to buy anything?
I went there during Black Friday. So they had
Oh!
give us an extra discount.
That's
I don't know
insane.
why I didn't buy it then. Yeah, true. I was focusing on other things.
Yeah, you said you wanted jeans. Come on. That's cute.
But it's not that much of a difference, actually.
Oh, okay.
I think only Black Friday. I like prawns actually, but it's not like big. I tried prawns once.
This one's very pretty.
I get
$3.19 with an extra 20% off. This one.
leider.
This one's $3.19.
Thank you. Next time you can clean the back pocket forever.
Oh, nice.
Also in America.
Nice. Thank you.
I won't have anything in the next week.
Why do you justify?
Because I want to eat if you want.
Okay.
Where?
Sure. No.
Oh, no. English gentleman isn't eager. Sorry.
Get him selfie. Okay. I feel like all of our faces were covered with this, but that's fine. No.
Ja, geen P. Kaart, ja.
sugar and cinnamon.
Thank you.
And Nutella.
2 with sugar, please.
Oh gosh. So the key, of course, to staying warm in the winter is to layer. But it's not always the easiest thing to do. Putting on. I'm meeting my friends for lunch and then going around the city a bit. Might get some more chendol. Mother of goodness. Let's go. Well, I need to pee anyway, so I'm not gonna zip that up yet. Anyways, I wanted to do a little segment of me trimming my hair because the ends are very dead. I don't have time. I stayed in bed for too long. So I'm gonna do that when I come home. But let's go around the Hague because we're going to a neighborhood that actually Kevin used to live in. So I used to frequent that neighborhood a lot when I was still living in Amsterdam. And I don't really go there much now other than to see a friend that lives in the neighborhood. But I don't go around to visit, you know, stores and restaurants in that area. So we're gonna go there to a place called Ali's, which actually they just had a major renovation, but now it's a bit too Instagrammy for my liking. But anyways, the food is still good. We used to eat it all the time when Kevin was living in The Hague and I was living in Amsterdam. So I'm gonna go there again, but this time with the girlies. And yeah, maybe explore the neighborhood a bit. Otherwise, we're just gonna go grab chendol afterwards. But I thought it would be, I thought it would be nice to just show that bit of the neighborhood a bit. So let's go. Terus biru banget lagi langitnya hari ini.
I'll take the chocolate first.
Gak apa-apa saya. Waktu itu gue udah, I think I got it with this. If not, gue emang udah punya sih dari dulu.
Okay.
Also,
ini kan kayak kecil terus cute. Sementara di sini kayak bisa banyak.
Yes, please. Wow. Tangan gue kering banget. So like it hurts. Oh yeah.
This one is nice. This one.
I usually don't like apple things, tapi that was good.
Yeah. Only 2 people. No, it's only us here.
Yeah. We have matching Coach bags.
Oh yeah.
Where's Zach? Yay! Same
But
friend.
this is actually the newest Spanish.
Yeah, I got this last weekend.
And before 3 years ago.
No, but
Oh no.
cute.
And also shoes twins.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is just basic bitch, see?
Yeah.
It's just Air Force, but Air Force shadows.
Bungkus. Dengan dia bilang ke aku kayak aku mau bungkus ini. Kalau lagi jam udah setengah biasanya tunggu dia selesai.
Cuman.
Oh ini kita ya. What do you think about?
Belum coba.
Oh ya belum.
Don't really taste the rose though.
How is the what you call it? Hojicha? Hojicha. What do you think about the taste? Enak katanya.
Tapi kayak kurang manis ya. Cobain deh. Iya, ini juga kurang berasa rose.
Ini mungkin kayaknya karena susunya. Coba ini.
Sama dong.
Enggak, ini beda susu. Oh ya harusnya kamu minta ini berarti gula.
But I'm really considering. So,
Yeah.
there's also something else. I saw this and I was like, do they even have 500 recipes? Hello. No, it's for me. Thank you. Have a good day. Where's Wally? I think in America it was Where's Waldo though. Cause it don't mean a thing when you're looking at my, I'ma do my thing while you're playing with you. I got this as a birthday present last year from my office friends. I don't remember how to do this. Hi! Oh! Welcome to my bathroom. I'm in desperate need of a trim, like I said before. Normally, I would just wait out until I'm going to Indonesia because I would usually go like every 8 months. But it's been over a year since I've been to Indonesia and since my last haircut, and these need to go. Disclaimer, I have trimmed my own hair plenty of times since university. I use good scissors. I may not have the good technique, but I use good scissors. I have a whole kit. Very sharp scissors, so it's all good. Let's trim my hair while we have a little chat. I'm going to Indonesia in a month. I think I've said that enough times. If you can't tell, I'm very excited. I haven't been back since February last year, but February last year I was with Kevin, and it was a lot about like meeting my friends, like introducing him to my friends, me also meeting his friends. I didn't get to spend much time with my family, which I regret like pretty deeply. I miss them like crazy, and it's gonna be Eid. So I'm gonna celebrate Eid at home in Indonesia for the first time in a while. While I'm there, obviously I'm gonna get the necessary beauty treatments because yeah, it's so much better and cheaper there. I have a PMU Beauty Elite here. She's amazing, Amanda. But I've tried other places, and I once got my freaking eyelid burnt off, and they ghosted me after, and that was like a legitimate salon that everyone, that was like, you know, all the influencers went to, and everyone recommended that. But yeah, I got my eyelid burnt off, and they ghosted me. Yeah, the beauty scene here is not that amazing. I think it's a lot better in major cities of Asia. But hey, who am I to be a judge here? I've only recently started to be homesick because I've lived abroad and lived away from home for quite a while. Because like I grew up in America and my family's now in Indonesia, and I spent my young adulthood in Indonesia, but like it's never felt 100% like home. Hence I never felt homesick. And we're actually gonna surprise my parents because they think I'm coming home in the summer. They wanted me to come home for Eid, obviously, but I said like, oh, I'm just starting a new job, a new role at the office, so it's gonna be difficult for me. So I kind of just finessed my way into creating a surprise for them. My sister and my brother. The fan's on. My sister and my brother are helping me plan the surprise. But yeah, I kind of feel like as I get older, I appreciate family more. Previously, I just would never get homesick. That was never an issue. Also, like my parents are getting older, so I don't know. I just feel like I want to spend a lot more time in Indonesia than I ever have. Anyone living abroad that you previously, you know, you're living that abroad life and you don't really think about going home so much. But now, as you get older, it's all you think about.